Hello Internet, it's me, your First Lady, Melania Trump. I am here today to talk to you about something that is very near and dear to my heart, my makeup routine. I know better than maybe anyone that the world is a scary place, full of bullies. And it's very important that you feel ready to confront those bullies and the world, and always be best. As most of you are aware, Be Best is a wildly successful initiative that brings awareness to children. That said, I would be remiss if I did not take this opportunity to not just highlight my cheekbones, but also highlight the pillars of Be Best. The first pillar is about the well-being of our future, the children. The second pillar is about keeping children safe online. And the third pillar of Be Best is opioid abuse. Join me as I walk you through a simple daily makeup routine. I hope that this inspires you to do what you can do to be best. Okay, is it over? Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my face with some face primer. Primer always reminds me of the primary elections. Every time I put on as First Lady, I remember, not everyone does this, and maybe if more people did, I wouldn't be so alone. Next is foundation. And you got to make sure you have a good foundation so you can be ready to take on the bullies of the world. And you'll be the bully. Be the best bully. The next one I put on my face is concealer. Everyone needs a good concealer. I rotate through using this brand in the video, and Rudy Giuliani. Rudy. After that, we put a little bit of setting powder on, get everything ready. Okay, what did I do next? Oh yes, my eyebrows. Yes, today I'm just using a quick gel. Using gel always reminds me of simpler times, like in the 90s. And my biggest commitment was making sure the chandelier I was wearing didn't catch the camera flash. Times have changed. And then my favorite part of my makeup routine, well, second favorite, is my eyeshadow. So what I'm showing you now is a quick daytime look. So I'm just going to do a quick smoky eye with about 3 different grays. So you take a gray and you put the gray on your eye, and then when that one's on, you put another gray. Oh no, this is when I got some on my face. This can turn bad very quickly, but luckily I had my brush ready to go. Oh, and I'm fierce again. Okay, so I think this is the 3rd gray that I put on. And this gray, the 3rd gray, is shinier. Just a little bit of shine. You see that? Do you see? Yes, Melania. Okay. No, it's looking good. But is it looking best? That's the goal every day. So I like I like the gray look because it's simple, it's unintimidating. You know, it's good for going to elementary schools and reading to the kids and you know, making kindergarten teachers jealous. Okay, so you just gotta fan it out a little. Oh, here we go. This is just a black tight line of my eye. Again, simple, classic look. This is how the children recognize me. Yes, Melania, do that again. You need to blend it more. I wanted to cut crease, but then it was better on one side than the other, so I figure just blend it out. Again, more black. You cannot beat a classic black liner with nice liquid liner, so find one that is best for you, and just do, you know, whatever you want. Yes. Is that? Here we go. Which part is next? Mascara, always. Like, this is another one where you find what you like and you do you. Oh, I do love watching myself put on makeup. Just a little hypnotized by my jawline. Oh, be best, Melania. The best. Yes. I like to make a couple faces into a camera just to see, you know, what else do I want to do with my face once the base is done. And I believe, yes, bronzer. Bronzer is a very, very important part of your look, and especially of my family's look. I bronze Donald's face every day before he goes out because I want him to be his best, just like he wants me to be mine. So I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm taking bronzer to shape my nose, and then I put it under my jawline too to give it more of a structure. It's very nice. It makes it very sharp. I already have very sharp features, and this is like taking a pencil sharpener to my chin. And then you blend that, and then yes, Melania, more bronzer. You can never have enough bronzer on your cheeks. And then you put a little on your forehead. And then, do you want more on your cheeks? I feel like a little, yes, good. Yes. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to share my makeup routine with you today. It's great fun mixing up my routine from day to day. You know, now I only have to sit in the dark alone for, I think, only 4 hours today. You know, I might do more of these videos, especially once I'm done ripping out Jackie Kennedy's crabapple trees. Did you know you can't even eat crab apples? I didn't. Those things have to go. Okay, so you just watched me put on some highlighter and some blush. The blush goes on top of the bronzer. Just, you want to concentrate the color all on the highest part of your cheekbones. You may be watching me put on a little bit of this pink lip and thinking, pink. Melania, you're more of a nude. And to that I say, sometimes I'm not nude. I do want to add a little bit of a dewy look, because I do like just a little bit of shine and dew. And this is perfect. You know, in my opinion, this is best. I need you to know I do all of this for the children, and I hope they learn a lot. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you are inspired to be best.